What if I told you that one of the biggest reasons your design don't look professional has nothing to do with talent?
In fact, most beginners make the same mistakes. I know because I made all of them. Some of these mistakes cost me months, others cost me years. So before you spend hours tweaking your next design, watch this first. Here are the 7 mistakes every beginner graphic designer makes. Without any further ado, let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mohey and this is Mohey TV. Recently I decided to switch my content from Arabic to English in order to reach more people all over the world. Also, I need to improve my English speaking skills. Mistake number 1. Designing for yourself, not the audience. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is creating designs they personally like rather than designs that solve a problem. A design isn't successful because you like it. Successful because the audience understand it. I used to choose colors, fonts, and layout based on my taste. Now I always ask, who is this design for? Because design is communication, not self-expression. Mistake number 2, using too many fonts. I remember downloading hundreds of fonts and trying to use all of them. The result? Confusing hierarchy, no consistency. Most professional designs use 1 or 2 font families. Typography should create clarity, not chaos. The fewer font you use, the stronger your design usually becomes. Mistake number 3, ignoring contrast. For a long time, I thought contrast only meant using black and white, but contrast is much more than that. It's size, weight, color, spacing, and visual importance. Without contrast, everything looks equally important. And when everything is important, nothing is important. Contrast guides the viewer's eye through the design. Mistake number 4. Every designer starts by taking inspiration from others. That's completely normal. The problem is copying designs without understanding why they work. Whenever you see a great design, ask yourself, why is this headline great? Why did you use this color? Why does my eye go here first? Understanding the reason behind the design decision is what helps you grow. Mistake number 5, skipping the fundamentals. Many beginners want shortcuts. They focus on software tricks before learning design principles. But the fundamentals are what separate good designers from average. Alignment, hierarchy, balance, contrast, typography. Master these and everything else becomes easier. Mistake number 6, not using enough white space. I used to think every empty area needed something on it, a shape, an icon, a line, anything. But white space isn't empty space, it's breathing space. It improves readability, create focus, and make designs feel more professional. Sometimes removing an element improves a design more than adding one. Mistake number 7, chasing trends instead of building skill. Design trends change constantly. What's popular today may disappear next year. Many beginners spend too much time chasing trends and not enough time building. Trend can inspire you, but they shouldn't define your work. Strong fundamentals will always outlast temporary trends. Honestly, I've made all 7 of these mistakes. The goal is not avoid mistakes completely. The goal is to recognize them, learn from them, and improve faster. If you're making some of these mistakes right now, don't worry. That's part of the journey. The important thing is learning what to do differently moving forward. Which mistake have you made the most? Let me know in the comments. Finally, if you find this video helpful or useful or enjoyable, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.